Okay, so here's a pretty straightforward resource to practice multiplying and dividing surds. So you can see along the top you've got these surds, and down the side you've got the surds, and in the cells here is the product of the two surds. So for example, root 7 times root 5 is root 35. You've got some nice cells as well. So for example, this one here is a nice one because root 3 times root 12 is actually an integer, it's just 6. So you can practice multiplying all these surds together. The dividing comes in play when you reverse the process, obviously. So if I hide them all for now and reveal what a product is and reveal one of the factors, can you work backwards and figure out what the other factor is? So the show all and the hide all buttons are pretty self-explanatory. The random just randomly shows some cells. Now you might not necessarily have enough to complete the grid. You can manually highlight a few extra if you want. Okay, so the new values, if I just show all, the new values button gives you new surds to play with along the top. And if you want to default back to the original, just press reset. These surds here I've specially chosen to be quite nice as a task, so that's the default, but if you want more practice, just hit the new values button. If along the headers you want to simplify the surds, just check this button here, and then you can see as I'm pressing new values, if the surd can be simplified in the header, then it does so. So now you might want to hide them all, for example, press random, and then this is looking like quite a more complicated version of the original sheet. So yeah, depending how you set it up, if I just reset it, depending on how you set it up, you can practice multiplying or dividing surds.